Hi, I'm Stephanie Schwab, the Curriculum Supervisor for K-12 Math and Science. I'm here today to talk to you about the placement process for your 6th grade student going into 7th grade for their math. There are a few courses that your child will be able to be placed into for 7th grade math. There's Algebra 1, there is Honors Math 7, there's Math 7, and then there's Math 7 Extended. To be able to be placed into these courses, there is a rubric that we follow. For the Algebra 1 course, the components of the rubric are the Hannah-Orleans prognostic test for algebra and geometry, your child's 5th grade PSSA score, and your child's scores during the first and second trimester on the common unit assessments. Depending on the score that they get on the rubric will depend if they qualify for Algebra 1 in 7th grade. They also then could qualify for Honors Math 7 based on a rubric. For Math 7, we do not have a rubric because that is the on-grade level course, and anyone who doesn't qualify for 2076, which is Math 7 Honors, or Algebra 1, automatically goes into 2075, which is the Math 7 course. The Math 7 Extended is a course that has 8 periods of math in a 6-day cycle instead of 6. So there are 2 extra periods so that your child can get the intervention or remediation that they need to be successful in a 7th grade math course. A little information on the Hannah-Orleans assessments is that they are prognostic assessments that we use to determine a child's readiness to be able to take Algebra 1. It is not an exam that students can study for, nor can parents help them prepare for. It is a prognostic test, so it is going to let us know how well a child is going to do taking Algebra 1 as a 7th grader. If your child qualifies for Algebra 1 as a 7th grader, that then means that they will take Algebra 1 in 7th grade, Geometry in 8th grade, Algebra 2 in 9th grade, Pre-Calculus in 10th grade, Calculus 1 in 11th grade, and Calculus 2 in 12th grade. If your child qualifies for Honors Math 7 in 7th grade, they would then take Algebra 1 in 8th grade, Geometry in 9th grade, Algebra 2 in 10th grade, Pre-Calculus in 11th grade, and Calculus in 12th grade. For a child that qualifies for the on-grade level math, they would take Math 7 in 7th grade, Pre-Algebra in 8th grade, Algebra 1 in 9th grade, Geometry in 10th, Algebra 2 in 11th, and Pre-Calculus in 12th grade. A student who qualifies for Math 7 Extended would then take Pre-Algebra Extended, Algebra 1 Extended, Geometry Extended, and Algebra 2 Extended, with a choice then for a 4th year course after that. Once a child is placed in a course in 7th grade, it doesn't necessarily mean that that's the track that they're stuck to. They will be able to perform, and however well they do at the end of the year, they get reevaluated every year. The sequence that I had just given you for each one is based off of the student meeting the necessary requirements and prerequisites to continue in that course. Something else that needs to be considered when determining a child's placement is the completion of Algebra 1 and then the Keystone exam that goes with it. Any student in the class of 2017 and beyond needs to pass the Algebra 1 Keystone exam to be able to graduate. The Algebra 1 Keystone is an end-of-course exam, so it is given whenever a child completes Algebra 1. So if your child would qualify for Algebra 1 as a 7th grader, they would be taking the Algebra 1 Keystone exam, which is a high school graduation requirement exam. If you have any questions about this placement process, please first contact your child's 6th grade math teacher, and if they are unable to answer the question, then they will direct you to contact me. The 6th grade teachers have all of the information as well on how the placement process works, so you can start with them.